So my friend, so my niece has come from school. Right now it's 2 o'clock in afternoon, and actually school bus dropped her in front of my home. So now you can see searching something for eat. But I have something for her. Let's take peanut, मूंगफली. So there is peanut. Okay, first tell me. Oh yes, this is here. First tell me. This is peanut.
Yes.
Okay, so when you open this peanut, then what is called in English? Let's process. Shelling.
Shelling.
That I am shelling, right? I am shelling that peanut. So that is called shell. Chilka. The peanut ka shell is called. Don't throw shell here and there in the room. Okay. So do you want to eat Maggi?
Yes.
So she want to eat Maggi. So I'm going to make Maggi. Actually, I don't like to eat Maggi, but what can I say? They are children, they are kids, so they do not understand. So we can't make them understand that Maggi is not good for health, but it's actually this is a Patanjali noodles. Okay, so it's little bit healthy, not too much harmful for body because actually it is not too much spicy. It's a simple noodle. So I'm going to make her noodle. Okay. So my friend, so first I have to turn on the gas regulator. Okay, now that is igniter. So I'm going to ignite. You can see I'm going to ignite gas. You can see I'm going to light the gas. Okay, now that is saucepan. Okay, so I'm going to put it on the gas flame. Okay, and I'm going to put small amount of water in this pot. So I have actually heated water. I have heated water in this kettle. Okay, so that is electrical kettle. Okay, so let the water boil. Then I will put that Maggi. So meanwhile, I'm going to wrap it up, rip it up. So open it little bit. Okay. So here, that is Maggi. This is like a simple Maggi, not like spicy. So let the water boil. So you can see here the letter water. So you can see here water is being boiled. So that is passive sentence. Water is being boiled. Okay. So that is spatula. Okay, and so I think water has been boiled. I'm going to put Maggi into this warm boiled water. Okay, so that is Maggi masala. I'm going to put it and I'm going to stir it with this spatula. I think water is not enough. So I'm going to put more water into it. And let's open this masala. Let's open this spice packet. It's different fragrance. It's different smell, not that smell like so it's boiling. So I'm stirring it. So actually it will take 5 minutes, not too much. Okay. So meanwhile I'm going to eat peanut. So you can see here. Oh my god, it's spilled outside. This is Maggi. So Maggi is being made. So actually they actually like Maggi too much because it's spicy. Okay, so that's why they like spicy and chutpati. Okay, so I'm going to put that spice masala into that Maggi and mix it properly. So this Maggi spice color is a little bit red. Okay, so I'm going to lower the flame. Now it will cook slowly. So that is Maggi packet. That is empty. So I'm going to throw it into So my friend, Maggie is ready now. So I'm going to serve this Maggie to my niece. I'm going to serve it this Maggie into this plate. So that is Maggie, and no, that Maggie actually is on the plate. So she will eat that Maggie with the spoon. Here, that is piping hot Maggie. Garma garam, piping hot. You can see the color, it's red. Okay, so I'm going to serve this Maggie to little niece. Here you can see she's sitting on the chair here and she's enjoying watching TV here. So you can take your Maggie. Enjoy your Maggie. Okay. So that's it for today.